Igbo came tabata today, not today. Meet two of our solid Igbo men that are the only African vice chancellors in the UK. Like they are the only Abua, the only, the only black vice chancellors in the United Kingdom. We are the most educated tribe in Africa. Don't be joking, evidence and water. It's all actually. Watch it, can see evidence. Igbo, is there any place in the world that we don't go and dominate? I am talking of no other person than Professor Charles. Charles Egbu. The Vice Chancellor of Leeds Trinity University, United Kingdom, UK, and Professor David Ozo Mba, Vice Chancellor of Birmingham City University, UK. Yeah. Professor Charles Egbu became the Vice Chancellor of Leeds Trinity University on November 1, 2020. He is recognized as the first black African to hold such a position in the UK. Somebody shout power. Power for you. Come on, death. With more than 25 years experience in higher education, Professor Egbu was previously Pro-Vice Chancellor for Education and Experience at the University of East London, where he was responsible for student experience, student success, student retention, quality assurance and enhancement, the Center of Excellence in Learning and Teaching, and the Students' Union. Professor David Ozo was appointed Vice Chancellor of Birmingham City University in 2023. He is noted as the second Black Vice Chancellor in the UK after Professor Egbu. Professor Mba is a Fellow of the Royal Academy of Engineering as well as a Principal Fellow of the Higher Education Academy. He is a Professor of Mechanical Engineering and has led numerous commercial and publicly funded research projects, culminating in over 300 journal and conference publications. No matter what, the moon must shine. Congratulations to Igbo all over the world making exploits. We celebrate you all. Jide Nkunoji. Keep on keeping on. Chukwokika abia magoziere Igbo niile worldwide. Mandela Israel, Mandela n'okpuru ndịda anyanwụ, ebe ọbụla unu Chineke nna wụsunu ngozi, ọ ga-adịrị unu na mma, na-eke, n'orie, n'afọ, nkwọ, ihe onye ọzọ metara a ga-echi unu ụra. Ise! Register your children in our Igbo Academy and see great improvement. If you also want to learn content, DM me. And we have power banks for sale. If you want it, also DM me. 20k, 30k, and 50k mAh. I'm just a DM.